Okay, anyway, I thought this video was gonna be lame if I didn't say anything, so I'm gonna voice over it. After I logged in and set up the Stream Deck software, what's the first thing I do? Add Vine Boom sound effect. But lo and behold, I was too eager and it doesn't work. So I tried again and again. I even tried testing the other buttons to see if the deck's the problem. But none of them worked. But anyway, moving on. I'm gonna skip some parts because it's just me trying it over and over again. So far, I haven't gone back to trying to fix it. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it right here because I made it work. Or I guess, not really. I just realized that I should be using MP3 instead of MP4, which was what original J was trying to do. Here, look. Aside from that, I've actually been using this Stream Deck Mini since my anniversary stream. From there, I've added other stuff for my Stream Deck to do, like type certain emojis or characters. Don't mind this. This is just the script for this video. Adjust my volume. And I even manage my OBS. I have a button to stop recording. I hope I can fix this some other time, but yeah, at least now I can stop recording without even going